Hello everyone, I welcome you again to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial where we are going to teach you some unique hairstyles. So here we have created a beautiful lovely shapes like these, and then you need to secure it further in a crisscross pattern like this. Isn't it pretty amazing? Now spray some water and then comb your hair in this a little, and then you need to make a pleat like this, and then what you need to do, you need to secure a beautiful bun from the top. Extra hair left behind, you need to make a pleat and then take the hairs out in this manner to give it a pretty awesome look, and then you need to secure it further with the help of a bow like this. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Again, you need to just secure your pleats in this manner, and then with the two ponytails you need to make two pleats on either side. Pretty cool and awesome, isn't it looking damn amazing? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here also you need to secure it with the help of clutches like this, and here's the result. Now let's see what we need to do the partitions like these, and then with the help of thin threads, that two lovely ones and colorful ones, you need to secure your hair in this manner and keep on making this to make it look like this, and then you need to just secure all of them from the sides, and here's the result. And here also you need to take a donut rubber band and then make a beautiful lovely bow and secure it with the help of your rubber bands like this, and then you need to secure it further with the help of pleats. Pretty amazing, looking damn cute, and then you can decorate it further. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here also you need to just make the hair look like this, then secure your hair in this manner, make a bun shape on one of the sides, and then make a bead, and then you need to secure it further and get it attached in this manner, and you need to secure it further. You have to repeat the same procedure on other side as well. Again, you need to do partitions in the hair like this, and then secure it with the help of these beads and get it attached in this manner. Then roll it further, and what are we going to do? You need to just secure it from the top. Take a donut rubber band. Again, you need to make a bun like this, and then securing with the help of your lovely brushes. Keep on proceeding further, and let's see what are we gonna do next. Again, you need to do the partitions and then make the thin pleats like this, and then secure it with the help of your rubber bands and beads in this manner, and then in the end you need to just secure it further. Pretty amazing, right? Now you need to secure your hair further, get the spray water, and then you need to just get the small partitions from either side, and then what we are going to do, you need to secure them further, get it enrolled with the help of these colorful ribbons, and then you need to make it look like these. Pretty amazing, and you can secure it further in this manner. Isn't it damn amazing? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here also you need to make thin pleats like this, and then get it attached in this manner, and then what are we gonna do next? You need to just attach it in this way. Isn't it damn amazing? You need to make the beads and like this, and then get it attached over the bun. Pretty cool. Again, you need to spray, comb the hair, and then let's see, you need to make a ponytail out of from the half partitioned hair, and then secure it in this manner, get it enrolled and attached in like this. And isn't it looking pretty cool and amazing? You will be getting an amazing result. Thank you guys for watching.